Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to import an Excel file into QuickBooks Online. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will be describing everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So yeah, you can also follow the steps that is currently shown on the screen right now, or you can just listen to what I say. So yeah, first you have to make sure that you've already logged into your QuickBooks Online. And then once you're here, you will have to click the settings icon. And then you will go to the import data under tools. And then next, you will choose what you want to import. And for example, you will click customers, vendors, products, and services, or chart of accounts. Then you will click browse and select your Excel file. Map your columns to match the QuickBooks field, and then click next, then review and confirm your data before clicking import. If your screen looks different, look under settings and then you will see import data, and that's where the options may appear. And finally, review your imported items under their respective sections. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.